Okay, there's item number 2 for sale. One shovelhead frame. Used to be in that bike, now it's over here on the ground. So if you're interested, call Smitty at that number right there. We're in San Diego. So this frame has been modified. It has had the tank bosses whacked off and glued back on again. Appears to not have been raked. I do not see a VIN boss here, so either they did a good job of grinding it down or it's a 69 frame. Because 69 is the only year they had a 4 o'clock like that. So, unknown for sure what it is. All I know, when it's in a 73 bike, you can't register without a frame number, so we swapped the frame out. So, appears to be straight. It's just had the cobbling work down the gas tank, so if you're going to do a bob or something, you whack all that crap off, put a Forester tank on or something, you're good to go. Like I said, the frame looks to be straight. There you go, that'll confuse every turn of sideways, right? So there you go, it's got all the mounts on it. I don't remember any broken bolts when we took it apart, but if you watch the video playlist of the frame swap 73 shovelhead, you'll see what other issues we had taken apart. So the neck appears to be all unmodified here, so I think it's just they just cut off the gas tank bracketry. Appears to have all the other mounts everywhere. I don't see anything that's not there. So
your tank mounts a little whacked.
Yeah, well that's part of the gas tank mount. And it looks like they added a foot peg mount back here. So we know it's not a 77 inflator because there's a boss, 2 bolt hole boss back here for 77, and this does not have that. So there's some kind of a frame number there. I can't read that. Maybe you guys can read in the video. So anyway, it's a fairly good looking frame. So anybody interested in it? Make your deal. Huh?
700.
Oh, yeah, we'll write that down in the video. All prices are negotiable with cash. You do take cash, don't you? American?
Yeah.
US dollars? Okay. No pesos? Okay, looks good. So there's a frame. You know, I've been looking for one, or you need one. There it is. If you have an old motor to put in it, you're good to go. Or you got to deal with the DMV for a certificate, or I mean, a signed number frame tag. So, however your state works. California uses blue tag, so other states do things differently. And it looks like it has the seat post bushing in there, so it's all set up for running a seat post in there too if you want. So anyway, it like I said, I don't see any damage on the front end. It looks pretty good to me. Looks nice and straight. So, all right, there's another one for sale. Ooh, we got 2. We got a bike and a frame. There you go.